So today I'm going to do straight stitch, which is probably one of the most easiest stitches. So I'm just going to do all these grass pieces here just to fill it out a little bit. So I'm just going to bring the needle up, and it's as simple as just creating a stitch. So just keep your stitch fairly straight and just keep adding them to create the grass. Remembering not to go, if you've just put your thread down, don't then bring it back up in the same hole, because obviously then it'll come out. You can do them all the same length if you want, you can do them different lengths, it's totally up to you. Feel free to add some extra ones if you want, wherever you like. Doing different lengths, slightly different angles. And that is straight stitch, and that is the end of that pattern.